Innovation is our lifeblood. It drives us, manifesting in everything we do. We are TAFE. We are one of India's largest and most trusted tractor manufacturers. We are global leaders in farm equipment. With 65 years of pioneering efforts and presence in over 80 countries, we understand the unique needs of our farming communities, understanding terrains, crops, and cultures. Through deep research and advanced technology, we empower farmers worldwide, cultivating the world for a brighter and more prosperous future. TAFE, cultivating the world.